Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today we will be discussing how to choose a coaching for cracking competitive examinations. So there are basically two category of students. One who can self-prepare, who do not need any external motivation or external push. While there is the other batch of students is such that they need support, or they need a pathway, a guidance. So for that they think of joining a coaching classes. But now, what are the different parameters on which you should select your coaching classes, and what are the various classes that are available right now for that are actually of producing good ranks and providing good test material or study materials. So we will be discussing in today's session about that. So myself Payam Bora, and I have cracked 8 competitive examinations. So I will be discussing about all of the coaching centers. But firstly, before knowing what are the different coaching centers, let's see that while you're preparing for GPAT, what are the different parameters or different characteristics that are to be taken into consideration. The faculties, the the teachers, the sir or the ma'am who teaches you in the particular coaching session, what are the quality, what are the qualifications. Books, have they, are they providing any good modules, digesters, study materials, flash notes, etc. The coaching center's previous year's ranks and previous year's history, that what are the different ranks produced, how is the center, like feedback or a review. The motivation, so when you're preparing for GPAT, there will be times when you will be down, you will feel low, you will be requiring a strong support, so motivation is extremely necessary. Time management, the classes that have put how many days in a week, or what is the offline or online, what is the process, and how will they guide you. And finally, a plan. Whatever you want to achieve, you need a plan. You cannot just directly get into it and just go through it. You need a strategy, you need a particular flow of work. So the next up we have is various classes that are available. So here you can see GPAT Discussion Center. So that is one of the widely known classes, and they provide good modules, digesters, portal pe they have study notes. Next up we have Unacademy. So on Unacademy, Dr. Pushpendra classes, they have started a new session called Unlock GPAT. So Dr. Pushpendra has 5-6 faculties more along with him, and those are very qualified. So you can go to his channel and see more about Unlock GPAT, and that is also a very good opportunity, and the price is extremely low. So that is one advantage of Unlock GPAT. BSP Pharmacy. So if you are a semester oriented student and if you want to study about semester, BSP Pharmacy is a good coaching. Pharma Tutor. So Pharma Tutor is also one of the good centers. Pharma Elite has 3 branches, Thane, Dadar. So you can have an offline or an online session. Both are available. Pharma Minds. So the Pharma Minds have Niper faculty. Akash Verma sir is one of the main leading founders. So Pharma Minds is also a good one. Pharma Sapiens, they have been producing Yagnik sir. They have been producing extremely good ranks in the past few years. Like All India Rank 1 has been, last 3 years, All India Rank 1 has been from Sapiens. And lastly, PharmaCAD. So PharmaCAD is also a good option for you. So if you are trying to opt for that, you can. But while selecting the classes, keep in mind the feedbacks or the reviews, the online or offline session, the amount of ranks they are producing, the quality of teaching. You can ask your seniors, or you can go to their website, Instagram, and see the testimonials. No classes is bad. It depends upon you. How do you actually gather data? How do you procure data from that particular coaching center? It should be upon your goodwill. But still, these are few of the widely known and most famous classes. So there are around 15-20, but I've selected 7 to 8 that are actually of good quality. So you can choose any one of them. It will depends totally upon you. So that's all for today's video. I hope it was interesting and a more eye revealing for you. And if you want more such videos or any videos on a particular topic, please feel free to drop your doubts in the comment section. Thank you so much, everybody.